Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to view starred messages in WhatsApp Web. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web by launching your web browser and navigating to the WhatsApp Web website. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on the three dots menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu, select Starred Messages. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your starred messages in WhatsApp Web. Starred messages allow you to easily find and access important messages that you've marked as favorites. It's a handy feature to keep track of important conversations or information. To star a message, simply tap and hold on the message you want to highlight, and then select the star icon that appears at the top of the screen. To unstar a message, follow the same steps and tap on the star icon again to remove the highlight. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily access your important messages in WhatsApp Web using the Starred Messages feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.